Hey loves, welcome back to Shantona cooking vlog where we cook, mix, serve, eat and drink. As y'all can see by the title of today's video, I will be showing you guys how to prepare peanut butter banana smoothie. This is my first time trying it out and I'm so excited to try it and let you guys know. So if you guys are interested, make sure y'all stay from the start and to the end. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe and turn on the post notification bell if you haven't get a chance to. So let's jump right into the video. The fun part about this preparation is that it only takes 3 ingredients. So we're going to need some freshly ripe bananas. Also we're going to need some milk. I'm using the Surge 100% pure cow's milk grade A. And we're going to need, of course, the peanut butter because this is the main ingredients of the recipe. I went ahead and poured some in a container because I won't need much. Also, I'm going to use the magic bullet. If you don't have a magic bullet, that's fine. You can actually use a blender, but because I was preparing a small portion, I decided I'm going to go with the magic bullet. So just going to remove the cover of the magic bullet and rest it aside right here. And then we're going to go off with a ripe banana. So I'm just going to peel it right here for y'all to see. And the banana smells so nice and it's extremely ripe. So we're going to take off the little bud that's normally at the top of the banana and the string as well. So I'm just going to use my hand and break it and put it right here in the magic bullet. Break it, put it in the magic bullet and put it right there. As for the frozen banana, I'm gonna try see if I can break it right. So it's pretty frozen, like I never actually think about having frozen banana. So I'm just gonna take my time. You could use a knife, but if not, you can always go in with your hands. Your hands normally do a quicker job. Yeah, it's a bit soft. Some areas are soft, some are a little bit icy. You can actually feel the iciness. So I'm just gonna break it right here. Y'all see that? These banana are so good, like they smell amazing. So I'm gonna put them right here and I'm going to go ahead just the same for this one. Pull the skin apart. Like this is actually feel extremely cool on my hands. Phew. So here we have it, guys. Break it, put them all in. These are how the banana looking like. I think I might need to reduce the size, but I guess it's fine. Then now we're going to go in with our measuring cup and we're going to need 1 cup of milk. I don't think it's going to focus to show you. Yeah, but it's actually 1 cup of milk we're going to need for this one. And as I said, we're using the Surge box milk, my favorite. So let's go. So 1 cup is required. 1 cup, 1 cup, 1 cup. Yeah, so I'm gonna put that in. Milk going right in. Y'all, this looks like it's gonna smell so good. So we have that right there. And although I said it was only 3 ingredients we're going to need for this recipe, I still feel I want to put a little bit more to this 3-meal recipe. So I'm going to go ahead with 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. But just to maybe twist around the flavor. So here we have it, and we're going to pour it right in to add a little flavor to that one as well. And because some persons, like when you come on to milky products, like they tend to have like an upset stomach, so of course we're going to go in with 1/4 teaspoon of salt as well. I think that's enough compared to the amount of what we're doing. So we have 1/4 teaspoon of salt right here, so we're just going to add that to the mix as well. We need 2 tablespoons. Hopefully you guys can see it, but yeah, so it's 1 tablespoon So we're going to go right in and pour. I think I'm scooping up too much, but it's a peanut butter to it, but based on how it might taste after finishing, you might be want to add more. So that's pretty much 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. We're going to cover up, cover it tight. And that's how it's looking. Then now we're going to serve some ice cube to it to have it a little bit chilly and nice. So after adding the ice cube to the jar, we're going to remove our lid. Y'all see that? That's so rich and creamy. So we're gonna pour it right in. Pour it right in. We're gonna garnish with some banana on the side. So this is the finishing look of our peanut butter banana smoothie, guys. This tastes so good, it smells so good, not to mention when you serve it with extra ice, it tastes yummy. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you also for tuning in to Shantana cooking vlog, where we cook, make, serve, eat and drink. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know if you will try it. Feel free to try it and send me a picture or a video and I will upload it in my next cooking vlog. Remember to tell a friend to come by, subscribe, check out all my videos.